welcome back. Oh my gosh, how is it that we are already at this time of year? And I'm talking about Advent calendar season, baby. I have for you guys the very first Advent calendar of 2020 ready to unbox for you. I got my hands on the NYX Diamonds and Ice Please 24-day holiday countdown calendar. It is a very large pink box with tons of diamonds all the way around. And this calendar does retail for $55, and we are supposed to get 24 items inside of it. So let us just start unboxing. We got a lot of product to go through here. Gotta break out the baby scissors. And here we go. So this is what the inside of the calendar looks like, and I mean, it's super pretty. It's got tons of sparkles everywhere. So shiny. But yeah, let's just go ahead and go for it. We are gonna start unboxing this day by day. And actually, oh, it goes in order. That's very convenient, so that way you're not searching around the whole place. So I'm just gonna grab door number 1. Oh, I tried to put on nails so that way they were really cute for the video, but they're making it a pain to try to get these products out. This is gonna be annoying. Why did I do that? Not gonna lie to you guys, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rip these nails off as soon as this video's done. But first up, we got the NYX Matte Lipstick in the shade Perfect Red, which this particular shade was actually in last year's Advent calendar, so I do have my own here. I actually brought out all of my NYX lippies that I got in last year's Advent calendar, so that way if I do have a repeating shade, I'm just gonna use the one that I already have open, so that way I don't open up another one, and I will save the repeating ones for a future giveaway. So I'm gonna use my old one and swatch it for you guys. So here we have it, and this is actually a really beautiful formula. I like the NYX matte lipstick because it doesn't feel like a dry matte lip. It actually goes on very creamy, and it's a very comfortable matte. Okay, so that was day number 1. Moving on to day number 2. Where do I puncture this? Oh, that did not tear pretty. Oh. Ooh. So second up, we got the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Sunbeam. And the shade actually reminds me a lot of the Benefit High Beam. I mean, it looks like it is almost the same shade as that one. It's that same light glowy pink. And this size in specific, you can actually purchase online. So this one retails for $3.50. I like to keep track of the values so that way at the end we can see if these calendars are worth it. All right, on to day 3 over here. There we go. We got another lip product. This time we got the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Canes. So here is the shade Canes. All right, day number 4 now. So now we got a single shadow in Glam Purple. And this is just a very soft, shimmery purple shade. To me, I would probably use this kind of like a topper. At least that's the vibes that it's giving me from the initial swatch here. I actually haven't tried this shadow before. I actually haven't tried many NYX single shadows. I really only have palettes by them, so that one's new to me. Then moving on to number 5 over here. Oh, what is this? Oh, get out. There we go. Got it out. How fun! We got another product that is new to me. This is their lip scrub. The hashtag This Is Everything lip scrub. Is it a sugar scrub? Oh, it's got an interesting color. Look at that, it's purple in there. You know what? I'm probably gonna do another lip swatch here in a minute, so I'm just gonna wipe this away and try it. Prep the lips. So let's take a tiny bit. Back of the finger. Let's test it out. Oh, do not get that in your mouth. Oh my god, that is chemically. Holy moly, that was a lot of chemicals in there. I don't know what they put in there, but man, and it had a lot of fragrance. I mean, my lips feel smooth, but I don't know if I'll use that again. Honestly, that was awful to get in your mouth. Let's move on. Okay, so number 6. Right over here. Oh, like I guessed, another lip product. This time we're getting a butter gloss formula in the shade Angel Food Cake. So glassy. Number 7, right over here. Another single shadow. And this time we got the single shadow in Crystal. Very shimmery and very sparkly. There's a lot of micro glitter inside of it as well, so this kind of gives me New Year's vibes, you know, because New Year's is when you break out all the glitter. On to number 8, right over here. Ugh. This is gonna be of the hashtag This Is Everything formula. It is a sheer lip oil. Not exactly a whole lot to see here. I still swatched it for you guys. You can see it right there, but it's just a sheer lip oil, so not really much to it. And this one does have a very sweet fragrance to it, and it's just supposed to be a very hydrating lip oil that you can wear on your own to give yourself a little glossy look. All right, now we get to move on to the second row here. So number 9. Whoop. Oh, another hashtag This Is Everything? Yes, so we got another hashtag This Is Everything lip oil, but now we got the shade Sheer Blush, which has a very light pink tint. I don't know, in case you're curious, I'll put this one on. It's a very subtle tint that you get with it, but they smell delicious. Number 10, let's do this. Where's the little entrance point? Oh, I had ripped it off already. Whoops. Oh, that one did not rip pretty either. We got another Born to Glow Illuminator. This time we got the shade Gleam, which is a more bronzy gold. So we got 2 different shades now. I'll just kind of put them next to each other so you can see. So there's the Sunbeam and then here's the Gleam. So that's good. You got 2 different illuminators that are going to complement different skin tones and preferences. 11. Let's see what we got behind this door. I'm guessing another lip product. Ooh, I was right. We are getting another soft matte lip cream formula, but now we got the shade Rome. So here we go, the shade Rome. Number 12, we are already halfway through, you guys. Oh dear. I see it says balm. I am hoping it's not like the lip scrub. This is the hashtag This Is Everything Lip Lovin' Balm. Okay, got a very vibrant color again. I'm gonna try it. Let's see. I mean, it's just a regular lip balm, but that lip scrub scarred me. Okay, that one's not bad. No crazy chemical smell that gets in your mouth. All right, 13. We got a powder. This is the HD Finishing Powder. So this is just their regular translucent pressed powder, which surprisingly I have not tested out before. It's been around for a while and I just haven't really played with it. I tend to prefer loose powders to pressed powders, but those are always good to have for touch-ups if you're feeling a little oily or just want to use some light powders. Maybe you're not into loose powder. 14. Got another lip color, and this is now our second matte lipstick formula that's in the shade Natural. This is actually one of my personal favorite shades. It's a very light pink rosy shade, so I love it. 15, and it looks like it's the same size as 14, so I'm guessing we got a lip product. Oh yeah. So we're now getting our second butter gloss formula here. Now we got the shade Creme Brulee. This butter gloss is definitely a little bit less pigmented than the others. This one just has a bit of a pink tint to it. 16, last one of the second row. And we just got one more row to go. And we got another shadow. So this is now our third single shadow in the box. And now we got the shade Golden Bronze, which is exactly how I would describe this color to you. It's spot on with the name. All right, 17 down here. Oh, look at that. We got another single shadow. So we now have a total of 4 single shadows. And this one is another bronzy single shadow. This is the previous one, which was the golden bronze, and now this new one over here is the bronzed goddess. I honestly feel like the names should have been flip-flopped. The new one, the bronze goddess, looks a bit more gold than the other one. But still, two very pretty shimmery shades. 18. Let's do this. So now we got a third matte lipstick formula in the shade Siren. I love my vampy shades. Let's go for door 19 now. More lipstick here. We got another matte lipstick, now in the shade Whipped Caviar. My lip line is all messed up now. Kind of reminds me of the natural shade. I'm gonna pull that one out here. Oh yeah. So natural over here, Whipped Caviar right over here. So it's just a bit of a deeper rose, I'd say. I like this one too. 20. Let's do it. Single shadow. Wow, so we could make a full palette here. This is our 5th single shadow in the box. And we now have the rose gold shade. Reminds me a whole lot of my favorite blush that has the peachy pink color with a gold shift and some gold sparkles in it. That's exactly what this reminds me of. We are so close to the end here now, so 21. Oh, that is a dark lip color. No, that's not a lip color. This is their HD eyeshadow base. I was thinking it was a black lipstick. That's pretty cool. You got the eyeshadows and now you got an eyeshadow base. Feels like it's a very liquidy formula. I just plopped it over here. I don't even know if you can see it. I've only ever tested the NYX glitter glue, which that one is amazing for glitter. I really enjoy that one. I haven't tried their regular eyeshadow primer, so I'll definitely give this one a shot, see how it goes. 22 now. And we got another single shadow. This time in the shade Antique Gold. I'm gonna pop this one right over here. Oh, very pretty. I'm pretty sure the other ones do not have the shape that the other single shadows came in, so I'm just gonna quickly pop the rest of them next to this one since that's the last single shadow. Here are all 6 of these single shadows that you get inside this advent calendar. Now, let's take 23. Got another butter gloss formula here. In the shade Tiramisu. Ignore all the sparkles around here. That is so difficult to remove from those single shadows. Just ignore it. And this shade again is a little bit more of a lighter tint butter gloss. I feel like this one just gives you a little bit of a splash of color. Oh my goodness, we are on the last item now. Oh, that. I wish that would have ripped prettier. Come on, you're the last item. Look at that. We got the NYX Pore Filler as our very last item. This is actually a really good primer. I'm happy they put that in the box because this really does help to fill out your pores and just make everything look very smooth. But that was it, you guys. The NYX Advent Calendar has been fully unboxed now. So before I give you guys my opinion on this calendar, let me really quickly do some research and find out all of the values I can find for these items. So let me do that super fast. All right, I am back and I have the results. So a lot of these items were actually able to be purchased online, so that's how I got those values. The only thing that I had to kind of do some calculations for were all of the lip products and the HD eyeshadow base. These ones were deluxe sizes that were half the size of the amount of product in a full size. So I ended up just taking half the value. Doing it that method, I was able to get a value of $93 for this advent calendar. But this was definitely fun for the first advent calendar unboxing on my channel. I do love me some NYX products, so you know, I always got a soft spot for them. And this was a cute little calendar. I do think though, if you have already gotten the NYX calendar previously, like if you happened to purchase one advent calendar before, I did notice that about 70% of the lipsticks or lip products were repeating items from previous advent calendars. So the only, actually maybe it was like 80-90%. I think it was like 2 that I didn't have in my collection already that I was like, oh, I need to actually test this one out instead of going into my old bag of goodies. Which the lip products are definitely a huge portion of the advent calendar, so just kind of keep that in mind depending on who you're gifting it to if they've already had a calendar before. But you guys let me know what you thought of this calendar down below in the comment section, and also letting me know which one you want to see next. We are in the hunt for the best advent calendar of 2020, so I need your guys' suggestions. But that's where we're gonna wrap up today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!